The next speaker is the Center for Inquiry. You have the floor.
Thank you, Mr. Vice President. In May, Pakistan sought to restrict freedom of expression by censoring posts and accounts on Twitter. This is one case among many carried out by the majority of states in this plenary to censor online content. The ICCPR clearly states in Article 19, Paragraph 2, that everyone shall have the right to freedom of expression through any media of his choice. Issues arise when this right is limited without proper justification. Paragraph 3 of Article 19 states that limits to freedom of expression are allowed only if necessary for the respect of another or for public order. And yet, we see states continuing to censor online content heavy-handedly with no clear justification. In Pakistan's case, censorship was justified under its blasphemy laws. Civil society organizations have time and again highlighted how blasphemy laws are used to justify human rights violations, from violence and killing to cracking down on dissent. We therefore have a problem regarding what constitutes appropriate justification and proportionate reaction. No human right can be limited by something that itself violates other human rights. What is the point for us to engage in discussion at this Council if the recommendations from both states and civil rights groups have no impact? We are today more connected and share more information than ever before, and the Internet, as we all know, is here to stay. Isn't it finally time to look beyond differences in so-called values and rise above crude politics towards something better? This Council should at least start by putting pressure on its member states to provide appropriate justification for their censorship of online content. Thank you.
Thank you very much.